Hello everyone. Thanks for stopping by Bella Casa by Vicky Sykes. Today we have a quick cabinet makeover. Stay tuned. So here we go. This is the cabinet that I wanted to make over. I love the design of it, but it was beige, and so I wanted something with a little brighter white that would really make it pop. As you can see here, I've already taken the back side of the doors off, which was the glass part and a wood backing. I took those off, and I'm also taking off the hinges because I want them to be silver. However, it was super simple and really easy, and I hope this is something that you will try at home. Here are the hinges and the pulls that came off the cabinet. I simply sprayed them on one side, let them dry, and then I turned them on the other side and sprayed them. All products used in this video will be listed in the description. Here are the cabinet doors after I sprayed them, and this really shows you how the white paint really makes the doors pop. The other color was beige and looked dingy, but the white is really bright and glossy, and I really love how it came out. And here we are, the cabinet doors are complete. I also finished painting the actual cabinet. I did about 2 coats of paint on the cabinet and 2 on the doors. I did end up going back on the cabinet and doing a very fine smoothing with the sanding paper, very light sanding paper. After overnight drying and putting the pulls and mirrors back on the cabinet, this is what I ended up with, and I think it turned out perfectly. It actually is brighter now, more detail is showing, and I absolutely love that I sprayed the pulls silver. They really pop now. Here it is in the office, and as I anticipated, it looks wonderfully. Thank you so much for stopping by Bella Casa by Vicky Sykes. I hope you learned something today. Also, always remember, if you see something that you like and it's not the color or quite the design, think about if it's possible that you can either paint it or change the hardware on the item. It really makes a big difference. Before you sign off here, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll get notifications when I do another video. I hope your day is filled with all things beautiful. Bye-bye.